Tiago here. Welcome back or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Soundpeats RunFree Lite. This is an open-ear headphones, so I will tell you all about this, price, specs. Let's start with the price. The Soundpeats RunFree Lite has a price tag of £34.99. And at the moment, there is a deal going on Amazon, bringing the price down to £27.99. For the US viewers, the price tag is $39.99. And for some reason, it's not available on Amazon just yet. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. So, a really good price for this type of headphones. Design-wise, we have a Soundpeats signature color, black, with some parts in glossy black, like the Soundpeats logo. The flexible neck band at the back is grey and looks great. These headphones are great for sports, weighing only 27 grams. They are made of plastic but don't feel cheap. On the right side, you have the main controllers, 3 buttons, volume up and down, and in the middle, the multifunctions button. On top of that, a very small LED. And at the bottom, the USB-C charging port. At the front, you have the air vents. Each side have 2. One at the front and the other one sits on top of your ears. Soundpeats adopts a directional sound transmission technology to reduce sound leakage, but more on that later. In terms of battery life, you'll get you 17 hours of battery life, so if you work out for 1 hour a day, you'll go through a week without any problems. Really good battery life. It will take around 1.6 hours to fully charge them, and there is no fast charge. Volume-wise, these are not loud headphones, because there are no speaker playing directly into your ear canals. But with this said, they are much louder than the Bone Conduction system. I was quite impressed, I would say. The RunFree Lite comes with a WQ7033MX chipset, with support for SPC and AAC codecs. It has the last 5.3 Bluetooth. The waterproof rating is IPX4, so they are okay with sweat and light rain. They also have multipoint connection, so pairing 2 devices at the same time is no problem. Next, the usual call quality test, inside and outside.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the microphones of the RunFree Lite, from Soundpeats. These are air conduction headphones, so they sit on top of your ear and not on here, on your bones, so it's different from the other ones. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the microphones inside of the house. We're gonna go outside and do the same outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the RunFree Lite from Soundpeats outside. Again, air conduction headphones. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the microphone outside. We're gonna go inside and carry on with the review.
The RunFree Lite are supported by the app Soundpeats. On the app, you can see the battery left, you can EQ the headphones with preset EQs, you can make your own custom EQ, you can also turn the game mode on and off. Air conduction headphones don't have the best sound quality, but if you compare them with the Bone Conduction ones, they are much better. The RunFree Lite have the big dynamic drivers, 16.2mm, and in my opinion, great sound for this type of headphones. You are able to hear the bass and it doesn't sound muffled or weak at all. The RunFree Lite gives you an open listen experience, so you can hear your environment, protect your ears and listen to your music. Vocals and highs are much better than expected, having clarity and not being muffled. But keep in mind that you don't buy this type of headphones for the sound quality. The RunFree Lite are not designed as a gaming headphones, but with the gaming mode on and the latest 5.3 Bluetooth performance, they are also great for gaming, with minimal lagging at some games. Watching YouTube and Netflix is lag-free. So, if you run or do any type of sports, these are the right set of headphones for you. They are comfortable, very light, they have a great battery life, the sound is amazing for a air conduction headset, and they have a great price. And that's it guys, this was our take on a Soundpeats RunFree Lite. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it around with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.